Jump. Jump.
Yeah, let me just take off my shoes. Okay. I talk so funny. I have a candy in my mouth. I do too. This is to tell you, Monet.
You're jumping in your dress clothes.
And I'm jumping in my church clothes.
Mm-hmm.
And smell my hands. I put it on, what is it called?
Perfume.
Yeah.
Or wait.
She smells like flowers, I think. She is
Mhm.
real flower.
Smells like vanilla.
Oh, I think she's a real vanilla. Vanilla. Real vanilla ice cream. Vanilla ice cream.
Ah! Can you help her up?
Sorry. Pause. Buzz. Hey, man, I have flowers. I felt a raindrop. I felt one too. A big one. I fell in a big one too. No, I'm serious. Come on. Or maybe your candy. Get out of it, boy. Get Trey. Hot dog.
Did you fall down?
Yes. But don't do that to me, okay? Yeah. Remember you Tinkerbell? Yeah, but right now we're not playing, okay? Oh, yeah, we are, because I'm in my, dress clothes. But actually, we're not playing right now. We're going to play when we get in the house.
Oh no! Help her up. Say sorry. I know. Help her. Help Monet. Be big brother. Trey, give her a hug. Say sorry.
Mom, I gave her a kiss and helped her up.
Thank you.
Mom, look how high I can jump.
Okay, let me see how high you can jump.
Okay, everyone sit down. Sit down. Sit. No. Hold it. Is that high or what?
Wow, that's high. Let's see how high Trey can jump. Sit down, Colette. Jump really high. Go on the circle right here, Trey.
Okay.
Ready? Jump really high. Whew. Okay, let's see how high Monet can jump. Go jump in the middle. Jump, jump, jump. Woo! Good
Now you
job.
want to see how good I can do something?
Okay, let's see something. A seat drop. Good job.
Everyone do that. I can't do it. I don't know how to do it. Oh, remember? You go like this and go a big jump. And I don't know how to do it. I don't want to do it.
That's okay. Let's see. You jump on one foot.
Me
Good
too.
job.
I could do it in a long time. Okay, everyone sit
Okay,
down.
say bye.
Bye.